National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a flash flood warning for eastern Warren County and north central Pennsylvania, western McKean County and north central Pennsylvania until 1:45 a.m. At 10:18 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain over much of Warren County and moving into western McKean County. 1 to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly as more heavy rain moves in from the southwest. Some locations that will experience flooding include Warren, Bradford, Kane, Sheffield, Youngsville, Wetmore, Russell, James City, Westline, Scandia, Chapman State Park, Kinzua Dam, Warren South, Ludlow, Marshburg, Kittayute, Lewis Run, Starbridge, Clarendon and University of Pittsburgh, Bradford. Additional rainfall amounts of an inch or more are possible in the warned area. This heavy rain will push creeks and streams out of their banks. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 1:45 a.m. Friday for the following counties: McKean and Warren. Here is the latest National Weather Service forecast for Warren County. All county public safety agencies, National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for Warren County, effective until 01:45. Warren County clear.